Hey y'all, what's going on? Today is a special cook. We're cooking, as you've seen in the description, bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone. But if you also noticed in the description, it was hashtag Cooking Against Cancer 2020. Uh, there's a great YouTube channel called Never Trust a Skinny Chef. Shane over there, he started this last year. It's a collaboration between other channels. We're all using that hashtag. So before we get started with anything, I want you to know, if you click on that hashtag in the title description and in the description down below, that will take you to all the other great channels that are also doing this, and you can see what they've been cooking. Now, what this cook is about is, pretty much every family's been touched by cancer one way or another. I lost my mom to cancer back in 2013. I have lost some friends to cancer. I have some family members that I've lost, aunts, uncles, cousins, whatever. Also have some that have been touched by cancer and have survived. So this cook is in memory and / in honor of those who have been affected by cancer. And cancer don't only affect that individual, it affects the family. So this cook is dedicated to everybody in my family who has been affected by cancer one way, shape, or form of another. And so make sure you check out that hashtag. Check out all these other great channels that are in the collaboration with us. And thank you, Shane, over there at Never Trust a Skinny Chef. Link to that channel is also down below. Thank you for putting this on. Really appreciate you doing this every year. It's a great way to bring attention to it. So with that being said, while you're down there checking all that other stuff out, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video because it really helps our channel out. We really would appreciate that. And also while you're down there, leave us a comment and tell us what you think about it, what you like on your breakfast sandwich. Today we're doing a bacon, egg, and cheese on Texas toast, breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone. Man, I tell you what, these Blackstones do a great job on cooking breakfast, but you put that thing on some toast and you make a sandwich, oh, now you really stepped up the game. So with that being said, you get all that other stuff done, be sure you check out the hashtag and let's get started. One other thing, if you happen to see anything in this video that you'd like to have or say, hey, I'd like to have that, or where do you get that at? Check the description down below also. We have links to a lot of the stuff we use. So be sure to get that done. Okay, we got to fire this beast up. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to run just the middle two. There's no need to fire up this big old thing. But we're going to turn this on down to right almost to low. Get this thing heated up. We'll fit start cooking. Now to make sandwiches, any kind of sandwich, well, you gotta have bread. So we got us 4 pieces of thick sliced there Texas toast we're gonna toast up, and that's what the butter here is for. A couple eggs we're gonna fry up. We're gonna season them eggs with this Blackstone breakfast blend. Now this is some really, really good stuff. If you haven't tried this yet, you have to give that a try. We got some thick sliced bacon here we're gonna throw up there, and we got 4 pieces of Monterey Jack. Man, it's gonna be just a bacony, cheesy, eggy sandwich. It's gonna be so good. Blackstone's warmed up, ready to put this bacon on. Now, we're gonna cook this bacon first. Oh, baby, listen to that sizzle. Uh-oh, you want to flip around there, ain't you? Yeah, buddy. Bacon on the Blackstone. Does it get any better? Does it really? I mean, honestly, does it get better? Y'all, you really need, somebody needs to invent smell-o-vision. Willy Wonka did his best, but hey, we really need something like this because you need to smell what I'm smelling right now. Now what we're going to do is we're not trying to cook this bacon fast. I want some of that bacon fat to render out. So we're going to cook them eggs in that bacon grease. That's right. That's right. All right, for this bacon, now we're cooking, we got about 365 right there and about 370. So cooking it kind of low right now, and that's where we want it. That's where we want it. Now, as I've said in a lot of cooks that we do with bacon, you cook the bacon the way you like it. If you want floppy bacon, cook your floppy bacon. We're gonna cook this to kind of crisp it up where it's got a good bite to it. You ain't gotta try to tug at it and pull it out. So that's what we're looking for here. Yeah, this bacon's cooking good and slow, just like I want it. Oh yeah, looking good there. Let it go a little bit longer on that side. We're gonna give them a flip. we're gonna flip the bacon. Let me give y'all a sneak peek of what it's starting to look like on that side. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's what we're wanting there. All right, this bacon is ready to flip. So let's give it a flip here. Oh yeah. Beautiful color to that bacon. Look at there. Uh-oh. Come on, flip over. There we go. Just let's give it a good flip here. Get it going on the other side. We got good bacon fat here to cook that egg in, or eggs. We have more than one egg. Let it cook a little bit. You know, when you have your tongs out, do you ever have to click them just to make sure they're working right? You know, if you ever have tongs, I don't care if you're on a barbecue grill, if you're on a griddle, or what you use. If you have tongs, you got to click your tongs. These work pretty good. Bacon's done. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slide this bacon on over. But before we do, you look at that beautiful bacon, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. So now, we gotta cook these eggs. So what I'm gonna do before I put the eggs is in this bacon grease right here, put some butter. Make some buttery bacon grease. That sounds good, don't it? Buttery bacon grease. Ought to be a milkshake at cookout. Want a buttery bacon grease milkshake. Let's get these eggs on here. Get them fried up. Now, still got it on low on this side. We're gonna bust these yolks because I do not like a runny egg. Hashtag bust the yolk. Hashtag no runny eggs. Now, I know y'all, a lot of y'all like a runny egg. I personally don't. Hey, if you like a runny egg, leave it that way. But we're gonna quit talking. Put some of the seasoning on here. This breakfast blend seasoning. Get these eggs all seasoned up. Oh man, the smell coming off this griddle all of a sudden with that seasoning is just amazing. I usually have trouble flipping these eggs, but we're gonna see what we can do today about flipping these eggs here. Oh, I did it. All right. Let's get all this egg here back together. There we go. I'm getting better. Check that out. So we're gonna fry that up, and here we're about to put these sandwiches together because it don't take these eggs long at all. We'll go ahead and season this side too. Why not? It's always good to put a little extra seasoning on there. Y'all just look at them beautiful, beautiful, beautiful eggs. Oh, and that's right. Look at that beautiful bacon. Beautiful bacon, beautiful eggs. Beautiful bacon, beautiful eggs. All right, these eggs are done. So we're gonna take them now. We're gonna slide them over like so. We're gonna clean off the griddle just a little bit. Just a little bit, not much. We gotta toast this bread. So let's get some more butter down. Let's toast up this Texas toast. Is it Texas toast before you cook it? I mean, how can it be toasted? It's not toasted yet. Just wondering. Texas bread, I was told. It's Texas bread. So if we toast it, it becomes Texas toast. Yeah, okay. Now we know. All right, let's see if this bread is ready. Oh man, look at that toast. Now it is Texas toast. Where before it was Texas bread. But now even though the package said Texas toast, now it's Texas toast. So we get that toasted up, we're gonna put these sandwiches together. Gonna be so good. Okay, it don't take long for this toast to get done. Y'all check this out. Look at that. Good toast on there. Yeah, buddy. That's what we're looking for right there. So we're gonna slide this over. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and build these things. That's what I'm looking for. My cutting board. Cutting board. My cutting board. Get some of this toast up here. Like so. Let's see how we want to do this. Let's see. I think I'm gonna put the egg. And I think we'll put some bacon. Oh man, y'all look at that. That is some, oh, it's looking good already, ain't it? Now, let's add our cheese on here. Make it cheesy, cheesy. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna melt all this down. All right, let's get this off back on the griddle here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the dome on it. Put just a little bit of water up under it. Steam that cheese up, melt it down. All right, this cheese, let's check on it. Oh, buddy. Yeah. Let's get this back up on the cutting boards here. Work with this. Yeah. Get the other piece of toast on here. Man, I gotta show you this. Y'all look at them beautiful bacon, egg, and cheese sandwiches. Man, them things gonna be good. We gotta try these things out. All right, y'all, we got some friends, some family done showed up. Man, that's what these Blackstones are about, friends and family. Y'all have never seen these friends before. This is Ben and this is William, my friend. Say hey to them. And of course, you know this one down here. You've seen him a lot, Crazy Bryson. I'll tell you what, them some crazy looking sandwiches. We fixed to bite into them, we fixed to try them out. But before we do, please remember that hashtag Cooking Against Cancer 2020 in the description and in the title. After this video is over, please click on that. Check out all the other great channels who have used that hashtag. You know, this is for a great cause. Shane, thank you very much over there at Never Trust a Skinny Chef. Be sure to check that out also. Link down below. Now we got to check these out. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right. He said, yeah. Ha ha ha, got me. Looks like a knife you use for murders. I wonder how it works. All right, y'all, come on. Let's. Kidney on the Blackstone. Let's cut one of these open.
Bacon looks amazing.
Bacon looks amazing. Thank you. Bacon is, I need a sharp knife. Hashtag, somebody send me a knife. Let me show you the inside. Yeah, that's not a knife. This is a knife. Yeah. Y'all look at that. There you go. I'll take him. Oh, he dropped bacon. He's not my friend anymore. He's not my friend anymore. All right. But you got to turn around and face and show everybody. All right, y'all try it out. Mmm. All right?
Yeah.
Pretty good breakfast sandwich, ain't it? Yeah.
That is awesome.
Can we see Ben?
Awesome.
We can? Okay, it's awesome, he said. Tell you what. Super simple breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone. No, but very, very, very good. Like I say, if you want your eggs running, leave them running. Mine, no. Don't do them running, no. Thank you for watching. Hey, thank you so much. Be sure to click on that hashtag Cooking Against Cancer 2020. Thank you, Shane, for doing this. Thank y'all for being here, eating with me today. And be sure to like, subscribe, comment, get all that done, and we'll see you next time.